Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. Now, you saw me go to the food pantry, so that dictated what I got from the grocery store. So I went to the grocery store and I bought some things. Now, how much did I spend? Well,
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
It's summertime, folks, and Uncle Chris is getting ready to do some fabulous summertime dishes.
all right, guys, so here we are. We're gonna go shopping, and I invite you to come with me. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna get some red onions because I have a ton of lettuce. So I'm gonna make some fresh salads. And I've already got bread, as you know. So, you know what? Let's get some garlic and make some garlic bread. Garlic, where are you? Ha 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 ha. Yes. Now, I need excuse me. I need definitely some milk and some salsa. And I'll show you guys why in a minute. Oh, once we get back, I should say. Because I've already browned up that ground beef I got. So guess what? Yep. Either I'm going to make tacos or nachos. I really like the idea of nachos. So in that case, let's get some. All right. Butter is on sale. You better believe it. Stuff is like gold. Let's see how much the eggs are. Holy hamburger. Eggs are on sale. Oh. Eggs. Yep. All good, not cracked. And if I do crack one, I can store it in the refrigerator up to a day. Milk was $2.77. Oh, yes. Yeah. Boom. Booyah. All right. On to the next. Okay, so I got some real cheese. I got the brick mozzarella because the shredded is $1 more. You can cut your own cheese up. Remember, the brick is cheaper, all right? And this also can serve as cheese for tacos. Now, let's see what else. Oh, since I got all that seafood, let's go get some imitation crab meat. Okay, I decided that I'm not going to get the imitation crab because I forgot I got all those shrimp. So I got some salsa ranch and mayonnaise instead because I can make my own sauce. Yup. Let's continue. Look what's on sale. You know we're getting some breakfast sausage. Yes, we are. All right, cheaper than bacon, but I want to get some bacon too if I can. You will see. All right, moving on. Wait, I was gonna make some pizzas. Mild Italian sausage. Let's get it. All right. I picked up some cream and I picked up some chicken broth, less sodium, 33% less, and I got some mushrooms because I'm gonna make some turkey tetrazzini, and the soups here were not low sodium, so I'm gonna make my own creamy sauce. And I'm gonna get some sour cream and some Parmesan cheese, and I should be done. All right, we are back home. Now, this is what I got. Starting from left to right. I got some breakfast sausage, for in the morning. That's going to be a staple. I also got some sugar-free drink to go with water. I'm just using tap water. Hey, it's what I can afford right now. I've got some cream cheese. This will be a nice dip for the evening, and I can also use this on sandwiches and a whole lot of other things. For salads, croutons. Got some milk for sauces and everything you can else think of that milk could be put to use for. Got some cream for coffee, also for my casseroles. Some delicious chips. We got some salsa, sour cream, salsa ranch for our salads, also for sandwiches, and I'm also going to use it for the sauce on my seafood cakes. I also got some sugar. That's a staple. Some red onions to go on the salad. Of course, some eggs. We can make a plethora of things from omelets to casseroles to souffles. Some cheese. I also got some uncured turkey hot dogs. Reason being, there's only 290 milligrams of sodium in these. And then you can boil some of that sodium out of that too. Okay? I got some butter. It was on sale, as I showed you. Garlic, fresh garlic. Mushrooms for the casserole. I got spices. Onion powder. Salt-free seasoning. Salt-free garlic seasoning. Salt-free lemon pepper. I got some mozzarella cheese. I'm going to make my pizzas with that. I have this wonderful Polynesian sauce, which is really good. This goes on a plethora of things, seafood and whatnot, and it's totally delicious. I also got some chicken broth, the low sodium version. Let me see if I can get that in focus. This will make a lot of things. This can make some gravies, your stuffings. It can also go into your casseroles. I'm going to put it in my turkey tetrazzini. I'm going to make my own cream sauce. Usually you put a cream soup in there, but I'm doing this instead because the cream soup had too much sodium. All right. Now, let's take a little gander at everything I got. I want you to guess down below before the end of the video and guess how much I spent. How much did I spend? Drum roll, please. On just this, guys, I spent $69.10. Now, you don't get much for that. However, because I have supplemented with the food pantry, I have several meals out of this $70, you might as well say. Because I have casseroles, I have hot dogs, I have soup, I have tacos, I have pizza, I've got breakfast, I even have something to drink, and I even have something to snack with. I even got sandwiches. Because that dip right here, this cream cheese stuff, is great on a sandwich. You know, I can even make nachos because I've already frozen my ground beef. You'll see that on my food prep. I've got the salsa. I've got the cheese. So guess what I can make? Salsa con carne. Not salsa con carne. What do you call it? You know, the cheese sauce with the salsa in it. I can't even think of the name of it right now. Write it down below because I'm having a brain freeze, a senior moment. That's what I'm going to ask. Hey, I'm claiming that, and that's it. All right. Write me about your shopping and let me know how much you spend. Okay? Write me also at unclechristhefoodpantrychef.com. Okay? And remember, just remember, it's rough nowadays. Prices are high. Don't be afraid to reach out to the food pantry. Don't be afraid to reach out to me. Give me a write-up and see. Email me. I love to hear from you. Comment down below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Uncle Chris. I'm going to be showing up next my food prep. I'm going to make some meals. You will see how I do it, and I'm going to freeze them so they'll be ready for when I'm ready. Okay? All right. Bye-bye.